We've got 10 big updates on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, from its first detailed look to a redesigned S Pen, the shocking comeback of the S26 Plus, faster charging, and even Samsung's AI-powered privacy display. And if that wasn't enough, the iPhone 17 Pro Max just suffered a pretty embarrassing loss against last year's S25 Ultra, which makes what's coming with the S26 Ultra even more interesting. So let's get into everything you need to know. By now, the S26 Ultra's design is basically an open secret, but thanks to OnLeaks, we now have full CAD-based renders that leave nothing to the imagination. The phone is thinner, just 7.9 millimeters, but the camera bump, a massive 4.5 millimeters, nearly double the S25 Ultra's. That means if you lay it flat on a table, expect it to wobble like crazy. The sharp corners of last year are gone. Instead, Samsung went with softer, chamfered edges on both sides, making it easier to hold and less harsh on the hands. And yes, even the S Pen got a small redesign. The clicker now matches the new rounded body, giving it a cleaner, more angular look that's a nice callback to the original Galaxy Note. Functionality hasn't changed though. Bluetooth features are still gone. Here's something you probably didn't see coming. The Galaxy S26 Plus is back. Initially, Samsung planned to kill it off and replace it with the Edge model, but the sales numbers tell the real story. The S25 Plus sold nearly 7 million units. The S25 Edge? Barely a million. That's a huge flop. So Samsung pivoted. This year, we're getting 4 S26 models: the Pro, the Plus, the Edge, and of course, the Ultra. It's the same playbook Apple uses, and clearly, it works. Now, let's talk power. The Galaxy S26 Ultra and Edge will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 worldwide. No region lock this time. This chip is already topping charts, and paired with Samsung's tuning, it's set to crush benchmarks. The Pro model in certain regions will use Samsung's Exynos 2600. Surprisingly, early results show it performing on par with Snapdragon, but we'll need to see GPU and efficiency tests before calling it a true rival. Charging speeds finally see an upgrade too. While the certifications list 45 watts, reliable leaks confirm the Ultra will support 60-watt charging. Long overdue and very welcome. Now onto the display. The S26 Ultra will feature Samsung's brand new M14 OLED panel, the same tech Apple used in the iPhone 16 Pro, but with a twist. Samsung added COE, no polarizer layer. That makes the panel thinner, brighter, and more power efficient. Translation? Better battery life, even though the actual capacity hasn't changed. And then there's the AI-powered privacy display. When you enter sensitive info like banking passwords, the phone automatically narrows the viewing angles. It's like having a privacy screen protector, but only when you need it. No brightness loss, no always-on filters, just smart, on-demand protection. Meanwhile, Apple is already on the back foot. The iPhone 17 Pro Max got a bigger battery this year, but in speed tests, it was crushed. In a phone buff comparison, last year's S25 Ultra beat the iPhone 17 Pro Max by 12 seconds in a 3-minute run. And remember, the real rival isn't the S25 Ultra, it's this, the S26 Ultra with Qualcomm's new Elite Gen 5 chip. If the gap is already this wide, January could be a nightmare for Apple. For the first time in years, it looks like Samsung isn't just competing, it's leading.